Greeting, fellow modelers. I hope you're all good. You're valued here. This is the Meteor from Israeli Color Scheme, and this is done by Yoav Hozmi. Now, Yoav is a really generous friend, a good person who has designed his models and allowed to be freely available. So when this one is finished built, a link will be available in the description below on the last model. So, of course, his models are usually 1/30 scale, and I have made this reduced to 1/72. I seal it so that my models are protected. And as you can see, you have the forward fuselage. Of course, the tail boom. I doubled it because, of course, I am going to make mistakes. And you have the engine pods, left and right air intake, and the formwork for shaping the engine. It's really a beautiful thing from Yoav. The wing itself and the fairing. The tail section and the framework for the wing. And then he goes into detail how the reinforcement is done. The stabilizer, which I did double. Canopy section, again, rudder and fin integrated, and the boom. The rockets, canopy, and the formwork to form the template for the canopy. The tanks and the bombs. These are the panel to join the parts together. What I love with Yoav kit is he goes into such detail as how to form the ejection seat, the cockpit area, the instrument panel. He goes into serious detail. I appreciate him doing that. The joining tabs for the engine and the fuselage. And then the basic outline how to join the parts. And wheels provided. So this should not be a problem. Now the detailed build instruction sheet is actually supplied with the kit, and it's actually pictures. So I'm going to do the full build, and then afterward I will release it and you can see the pictures. Or I will try something new to show the pictures and the build at the same time. I'll figure it out. But until then, my friends, that's it for Yoav Hozmi Meteor. So take care, everybody, and as always, one love.